How to check login activity on Instagram. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you the ways on how you can check your login activity on Instagram. First of all, for that, update your application. Go to your Play Store and on the search box type in Instagram. Once you type in Instagram, if you see update, tap on the update button and wait for the application to be updated. If the application is already up to date, click on the open button and log into your account. Go ahead and tap the profile icon from the bottom right hand side corner of your screen. After that, tap on the try bar icon. Once you tap on the try bar icon, on menu page or a menu page appears. So from there, go ahead and tap on your activity. So from there, go ahead and tap on settings and privacy or settings. Once you're on this page, go to security. After that, you'll be able to see login activity right in center. So once you tap on the login activity, it's going to show you all of the information such as where you actually logged in. In this way, you can check your login activity. So that's basically how you can check your login activity on Instagram. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.